Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can turn on or turn off the autosave feature for your projects and sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive into this. So using the autosave feature, guys, may turn out to be pretty helpful. For example, when you're working on, let's say, a dashboard or a project and you're adding a lot of changes and edits to it, and you don't want to save it each time manually. So using the autosave feature will do that for you. So this is how you can enable it, guys. What you need to do is access your profile settings in the bottom left corner by clicking into your profile here, and from there select personal settings, and here navigate to settings to the left. And from here, guys, what you want to do is simply click into autosave settings here and decide whether you'd like to apply the autosave after 1 minute of inactivity. You may also unselect this feature, or for example, enable this feature below, autosave your changes whenever you leave a sheet, report, or dashboard. So which one of these you go with, guys, is totally up to you. I will leave it at that. Just don't forget to save your changes by clicking into save here in the bottom right, and that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.